In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, to create a new one, use this plus at the top right corner here and adjust all of those options however you want to. Let's start by setting up an hour at the top. Now, if you want to use this alarm only once, click on this switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing to enable or disable this option, which is super helpful to get rid of the clutter in Clock app. If you want to use it more than once though, hit repeat and pick days of the week. After selecting all of the ones you want, choose Done at the bottom right corner. Now, click on Alarm Sound. Choose Add New if you want to add any song from your smartphone, just click on it and go back. Or pick one of those. When you're ready, go back thanks to Back button. Click on Label to name it and Done to save its name. Choose this section here called Snooze to decide how many minutes it will take. And last but not least, tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback. Now, to save your new alarm, click on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or switch it off, use this switcher next to it. Now, you can click on it and make any changes. If you want to save them, tap on the check mark again. To delete any alarm, you need to hold it and use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!